Carnival Cruise Line shares plans for family fun at Celebration Key with the reveal of Starfish Lagoon. This family-friendly portal includes beach, freshwater lagoon, floating aquabanas, water slides, sports court, and game pavilion, among many other amenities. Welcome back, cruisers, to All Aboard with Joe. I'm your host, Joe. And before we get into this Carnival Cruise Line news, I just want to thank all my new subscribers. This channel is brand new, weeks old, and we just broke 700 subscribers. So I want to give all the people that are new here a chance to hit that subscribe button, join the channel, and let's get started. In today's press release from Carnival Cruise Line, they are teasing out even more exciting information about Celebration Key. Now, if you weren't aware, Celebration Key is going to be definitely a competitor to Coco Key of Royal Caribbean International. It's going to be this vast, exclusive destination located in Grand Bahama, and it's launching next year, July 2025. Of course, you could start booking your cruise vacations now to make sure that you get one of the first spots on Celebration Key. But for now, let's just talk about this exciting new information they launched today, which is about the Starfish Lagoon. So similar to Coco Key, Celebration Key is going to be great for all ages, whether you're a family, traveling with your friends, maybe you're solo traveling. There's just going to be a lot of stuff to do there. Now, the Starfish Lagoon in particular, they finally released some images that are obviously mock-up images because no one has been there yet other than the people building Celebration Key. But some of the stuff that I'm really excited about, I'm just going to overlay the images they provided and tell you a little bit of what you can expect at Starfish Lagoon. First up, we've got the Pink Flash Flamingo and Blue Mach 3 Marlin water slides. These aren't just any slides, they're over 350 feet long and twist around the iconic 10-story sun castle. And of course, there's a photo finish at the end. For the little ones, there's the Guppy Grotto splash pad right by Starfish Lagoon. It's a coral reef themed water play area with a shallow wading pool, fun water toys, and an exciting dump bucket, which is pretty standard at these types of parks. There's interactive features and more, so that should be fun for the kids. And if you love games, check out the Game Pavilion. It's got everything from foosball and ping pong to cornhole with comfy seating areas to hang out and meet new friends. And then right next door to that, there's a sports court with volleyball, basketball, and pickleball. So as you can see, there is a ton of stuff to do, and that's only some of it. There's more. For a unique experience, you can rent a floating aquabana. These are sturdy floating cabanas that can fit up to 8 people. They come with a table for drinks, non-slip surfaces, and easy steps into the water. Plus, there's a dedicated bar nearby, so refreshments are always close. And don't worry, adults, there's a swim-up bar, just like Coco Key, so the competition is there because we want to have a good time on vacation, and a float-up bar is good. Whether or not you have kids or you're just traveling with a friend, there's gonna be something fun for you. Now, of course, if you're the kind of person that just wants to relax, they are providing, there's hammocks in the area next to the sun castle where you can swing over the water and take in the views of Starfish Lagoon. There's also a beautiful stretch of beach with crystal blue water, perfect for kayaking, paddleboarding, frisbee, sandcastle building, or just lounging in the sun. And of course, when you get hungry, there are plenty of dining options, including restaurants, snack and bar shacks, and even bohemian food trucks. And Christine Duffy, a video would not be complete for Carnival Cruise Line if there wasn't a quote from Christine Duffy. She is the president of Carnival Cruise Line, and she always has good quotes. So today she said, "At Carnival, we carry more children than any other cruise line, so we've designed Starfish Lagoon specifically for family fun. Toddlers, teens, and adults alike will find their own piece of paradise, whether it to be racing down one of the water slides, playing around a pickleball, or relaxing on our floating aquabanas." Starfish Lagoon is joining Paradise Plaza, the Welcome Area, Calypso Lagoon, the adult-friendly area, and Loco Ono Cove, the shopping village, as 4 of the 5 portals. Carnival said that they will be sharing more details about Celebration Key as time goes on, and currently, as I said previously, July 2025 is the current release date for the first visitors of the Celebration Key. Oh, I should mention that there's going to be over 500 itineraries and 18 of Carnival ships will be visiting Celebration Key. So that's really exciting. It sounds like if you're going to be on a Carnival ship, you're going to be going to Celebration Key, which once again, not to keep comparing it to Coco Key, but it sounds like what they're trying to do is compete with Royal Caribbean's business because Celebration Key is going to be very akin to Coco Key, and if you've ever been to Coco Key, it's a blast. It's one of my favorite places to visit whenever I'm on Royal Caribbean. So this is going to be exciting for people that are new or returning to Carnival. Well, guys, that's it for today's cruise news. I appreciate you being here and hitting that subscribe button. Of course, if you hit the like and leave a comment, you help out the channel. It's free to do, and it will help me get in front of more people, so I would greatly appreciate that. And before I go, I just want to say that I'm going to be going on an Alaskan cruise in about 2 weeks from today's date, and I'm going to be going with Holland America Line, and I can't wait to show you guys. If you did stay as long as I hope you did in this video, then please let me know in the comments what you want to see from Alaska, because I'm there to create content for you guys. It's not just a little vacation, it's a work vacation. So please let me know what you want to see from both me, Holland America Line, and my adventure. All right, guys, as always, this is All Aboard with Joe. I will see you next time. Peace.